If your faucet won't stop dripping, don't call a plumber just yet. Most leaks can be fixed at home in a few simple steps, as long as you know which type of faucet you're dealing with. Today, let's quickly break down how to repair ball, cartridge, and ceramic disc faucets the right way. Step 1. Find the source of the leak. Check where the water's coming from. Leaky spout equals worn internal parts. Leak at the base equals damaged seals or O-rings. Turn off the shutoff valves, or the main valve if they're stuck. Open the faucet to release leftover water, close the drain, and place a towel in the sink. Remove the aerator, soak it in vinegar if it's stuck. Step 2. Take the faucet apart. As you disassemble, lay parts in order and take a picture for easy reassembly. Put everything in a small bag if you're taking parts to the store. Most of the time, replacing a full repair kit is better than replacing a single part. Step 3. Fix a ball faucet. Remove the handle and cap. Take out the cam, washer, and ball, noting how the holes align. Pull out the old seats and springs, replace them, and reinstall the ball. Replace the O-rings if the leak was at the base. Lubricate and reassemble. Step 4. Fix a cartridge faucet. Remove the cap, screw, and retaining clip. Pull off the handle and trim ring. Unscrew the retainer and slide out the cartridge. Insert a new cartridge and reassemble. Step 5. Fix a ceramic disc faucet. Remove the handle and trim ring. Unscrew the retainer nut and pull out the cylinder. Instead of repairing the discs, install a new cylinder for a long-lasting fix. Reassemble the faucet. Step 6. Flush the faucet and reinstall the aerator. Turn on the water supply slowly and run the faucet without the aerator for a few minutes to clear debris. Clean the aerator with vinegar, rinse, and screw it back in. And that's it. Your faucet should be running like new. Simple steps, no plumber required. If you want more quick home repair guides, stay tuned for the next video.